Want to drive more sales by running Google Ads for your online store? Here's how to set it up. First, you want to choose your keywords wisely. Use Google's Keyword Planner to uncover search terms that match your products and carry strong purchase intent. Look for a mix of broad and exact match keywords to balance reach and precision. Second, create compelling ad copy and select the right campaign type. Write attention-grabbing headlines that highlight benefits and include a clear call to action like Shop Now. Pair your ads with smart shopping or search campaigns to let Google optimize bids and placement for you. Third, you want to monitor performance and refine your bids, keywords, and ad creative. Check metrics such as click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per acquisition. Pause underperforming keywords, increase budgets on top performer, and test new ad variation to continually boost ROI. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.